Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north-central Texas, Johnson County in north-central Texas, northeastern Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, eastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Grandview to 6 miles northwest of Lake Cleburne to near Glen Rose, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burleson, Cleburne, Hillsborough, Granbury, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Pecan Plantation, Glen Rose, Whitney, Itasca, Grandview, Godley, Bloom, Covington, Cross Timber, Cleburne State Park, Lake Cleburne, Dinosaur Valley State Park, and Squaw Creek Reservoir. This includes Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 24. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
The water?